Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 3 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Remove the 6 other screws and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and tighten the screw to secure the module. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 7 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.